talking about the general requirements for obtaining a commercial pilot license or CPL as per ICAO Annex 1 without hesitation, repetition, or deviation starting now. To become a commercial pilot as specified in ICAO Annex 1, candidates must fulfill a range of general requirements designed to ensure they are fully prepared for the responsibilities of operating aircraft in a commercial capacity. The first requirement is age. Applicants must be at least 18 years old to qualify for a commercial pilot license. Beyond this, they must demonstrate an in-depth knowledge base that is essential for the safe and effective operation of commercial aircraft. This knowledge spans several critical domains, each tailored to the category of aircraft the applicant intends to fly, including airplanes, helicopters, airships, and other powered lifts. One of the key areas is air law, where applicants must understand the rules and regulations governing commercial flight, including those related to air traffic services and the rules of the air. They must be proficient in aircraft general knowledge, which involves understanding the principles of operation for engines, systems, and instruments. This includes knowing the operating limits of both the aircraft and its engines, conducting serviceability checks, and being familiar with the maintenance procedures. For those pursuing helicopter or powered lift ratings, additional knowledge of transmission systems and the practical application of gases for airships is required. In flight performance planning and loading, candidates must be capable of assessing how loading affects aircraft handling and performance, performing mass and balance calculations, and applying this knowledge in both pre-flight and in-flight planning scenarios. This includes the use of performance data for takeoffs and landings and planning for cross-country flights under visual flight rules. Understanding the human performance aspect, particularly threat and error management or TEM, is also essential, as this helps the pilots manage the human factors that can influence safety and performance. Meteorology is another critical area where applicants must be able to interpret and apply meteorological reports, charts, and forecasts. They need to understand how weather conditions affect flight operations, including the causes and effects of icing, and develop strategies for hazardous weather avoidance. Navigation skills are equally important, encompassing the use of aeronautical charts, navigation instruments, and aids, as well as an understanding of navigation systems and the operation of airborne equipment. This knowledge is crucial for ensuring accurate navigation during all phases of flight. Operational procedures cover a wide array of practices that are vital for commercial pilots, including the correct use of aeronautical documentation like AIP and NOTAMs, understanding altimeter setting procedures, and implementing precautionary and emergency procedures. Specific operational challenges associated with different aircraft categories, such as ground resonance or dynamic rollover in helicopters, are also covered. Additionally, applicants must be well versed in the principles of flight and radio telephony, including the standard communication procedures and phraseology used during VFR operations and the actions to take in case of communication failures. Beyond theoretical knowledge, applicants must demonstrate a high level of practical skill in piloting an aircraft. This includes the ability to perform as pilot in command, effectively managing threats and errors, operating the aircraft within its limitations, and executing maneuvers with accuracy and smoothness. Good judgment, airmanship, and the ability to maintain control of the aircraft at all times are critical, ensuring that the pilot can achieve a successful outcome for every procedure or maneuver. Finally, candidates must meet the stringent health requirements by holding a current Class 1 medical assessment, ensuring they are physically and mentally fit to handle the demands of commercial flight operations. This comprehensive set of requirements ensures that commercial pilots are thoroughly equipped to operate safely and competently in the aviation industry. We will be covering category-specific CPL ratings in a different video. And if you would like to learn more about Class 1 medicals, visit the link to our video on that. We place it in the description below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more aviation content.